girls, and welcome to HORAN Guitar. We have NIALL HORAN here with a song called Save My Life. So this one is an upbeat song here with 4 chords that goes round and round in the same order. Great, we love that. So let's start this one up. Capo on second here, and let's look at the chords. We have first the C major 7, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. The third chord I will call the DB chord. That is pretty much a D there, but with a B in the bass. Some chords has many names depending on how you prefer to call and what you emphasize here, but this is the DB. Now second on A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. And the final chord is the E minor 7. Very easy. Open E, second A, then open D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern. That is pretty much the last thing. Then you have the full song there. So let's start with the C major 7. One strumming around will be down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And to get an idea of how it sounds, the rhythm here, a couple rounds goes like this. Alright, so you're gonna play the chords in the order we learned them. So C major, D, the DB, and E minor. One string around per chord through the entire song. A couple rounds will sound like this. Alright guys, so that is NIALL HORAN's Save My Life. So please save my life and subscribe to this channel here. Thumb up this tutorial if you love NIALL HORAN or songs coming out from HORAN Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.